Use ACD machine type for 8-device sequin. This tool is useful to convert 8 sequin design into a different machine format. First, we will open 8 sequin design by opening Design Explorer. Here, you can see 8 sequins have been added in the design. Here, you can see 8 sequins are shown as default parameter. Sequin A, sequins B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Open Application Properties. Here, you can see, this button is off. Now, we will save this design as a DST format. And close this design. And now, we will open the DST design. Here, you can see, 8 sequins were shown in STX file format, in the same way it is showing now. Now, we will check, there is no change in DST format. And close this design. Now, we will again open design, in STX file format. Then, open Application Properties. And turn on, Use ACD machine type for 8-device sequin button. Now, we will again save this design, in DST format. And close this design. Now, we will open new DST design, that we have saved. Here, you can see, the format has been changed, into a different type of machine format. Now, we will check, how the sequence parameters are changed, into the other machine type format. With this button, we can check, the original 8 sequence position. Now, I will show you, the new sequence parameters. Here, you can see, H sequin parameter, is changed, into, BCD, sequin parameter. Here, you can see, F sequin parameter, is changed, into, ABD sequin parameter. Here, you can see, E sequin parameter, is changed, into, ABC sequin parameter. The above image, shows all different types of machine sequin parameters.